Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will going to discuss about an rectangular cross section spring. Previous problems we are going to discuss a circular cross section, wound type circular cross section helical spring. This is another type of problem, rectangular section. A problem is given. A rectangular section helical spring is mounted to a buffer to sustain a maximum load of 30 kilonewton. The deflection under is limited to 100 millimeter. The spring is made up of chrome vanadium steel with a factor of safety 1.5. The condition is given. This is the longer side of the rectangular is 2 times the shorter side, and the spring is wound with longer side parallel to the axis. The spring index is 10. Design the spring. This is a type of problem. Let us start with write on the datas. First one, rectangular section helical spring is mounted to a buffer to sustain a maximum load of 30 kilonewton, where F is given 30 kilonewton converted to Newton. The deflection under the load is limited to 100 millimeter. Y is given. Okay. The spring is made up of chrome vanadium steel with a factor of safety is 1.5. It's given 1.5. The condition is given. Okay. This is the condition for easy to solve the problems. This condition you should know. The longer side of the rectangular is 2 times the shorter side. Okay. This is the rectangular cross section. Okay. This is the axis. This is here to here the longer side height. Okay. This is the shorter side B breadth, where condition is the longer side of the rectangular is 2 times the longer side of the rectangular is 2 times the 2 times the 2 times the shorter side means shorter side means B shorter side, where longer side of the rectangular is 2 times the shorter side. This is the condition where h is equal to 2 into B, where h is equal to height or thickness, where B is equal to breadth. Next, and the spring is wound with longer side. Same also, the spring is wound type of helical spring. Longer side parallel to the axis. Wound type parallel to the axis. This is the axis. This is wound type. This is are both parallel. Okay, and spring index is given 10, where C is given 10. Design the springs. Next, from table, let us start with a problem. From table 20.10, chrome iridium steel, note on the tau value and rigidity modulus G value 690 megapascal, tau y and G is given, where standard, where tau is equal to tau y by factor of safety, where tau is equal to 690 divided by factor of safety 1.5 equals to 460 megapascal. This is tau or tau dash 460 megapascal. Next, cross section of the spring, where tau dash is equal to kft, and this equation is data handbook in 20.34a. Equation number is 20.34a. Note down the formula, and I don't know k and d values. Okay, where how to find out, where C is given spring index, where 10 is equal to d by small d. No, d p. Where yeah, this is a rectangular cross section. You can write B in square in circular cross section. You can write D. Okay, where D in a replace of B, where D is equal to 10 into B. Substitute D equation. Okay, and I don't know K, how to find out K. This formula note on in data book or 20.23. Okay, where K equals to 1.1448. Substitute C value in in this you get k value. Next, note on the formula same, tau equals to where how tau dash 460 equals to where k is equal to 1.1448 into f means 30 into 10 power 3 into d value is, this is the d value, 10 into b. Next, 1.5 into h is equal to 2 into b. Condition is given in the problem, 2 into b and plus 0.9 into b divided by b square, where h is equal to 2 into b whole square. Next, 460 equals to multiplied this and this, where 343 440 b, and then also 1.5 into 2 plus 9. 1.5 into 2 means approximately I think 3 plus 0.9 is 3.9. b square, not b square, because of when into is given, when into b square is plus only b divided by b square and b, where 2 2s are 4 b square, this is also b square multiplied only, where 343 440 b 3.9 into b divided by 4 b to the power of 4, b square into b square b to the power of 4 into b square, 460. So next, 460 is equal to where and this value to multiply 3.9, where 1339416 b square divided by 4 b to the power of 4, where 460 is equal to where b square get cancelled, remaining is 2. Okay, 133,941 to 6 divided by 4 b square, where b is equal to 26.98 millimeter. Approximately b is equal to 27 mm. Next, where h is equal to 2 into b, I know b, where 2 into 27 mm b, where h is equal to 54 millimeter. Next, where c is equal to capital D by b, c is 10, I don't know d value, where b is equal to how much, b is 27, d is equal to 10 into 27, where d is equal to 270 millimeter. Next, to find inner dia and outer dia of coil, where outer dia of coil, where d naught is equal to d plus b. From previous circular problems, you have to substitute d values because of circular cross section. In this breadth, where b is b value, you have to put it, where d is equal to 270 plus b is 27, d naught is equal to 297 millimeter, where di is equal to d minus b, 270 minus 27, where di is equal to 243 millimeter. Next, to find out number of coils I. Okay, note on this formula in 20.39 in data book, 20.39 in data book. Note on the formulas and all next note on the data in this equation, where we get I is equal to 4.03, approximately I is equals to 5. Next, to find out free length L naught, where L naught is equal to I plus n into h plus y plus a. N is given, where I is find out 5, where n is constant always to H, where previous circular cross section helical spring where input instead of D because of circular cross section. This is a rectangular cross section to put H and Y and A, where I don't know Y and I don't know A. To find out A and Y, next we find Y, where Y is equal to same formula uh, where I substitute to same formula, where I is equal to, where Y is equal to same 20.39, same formula I have to note down to find Y. I you can substitute, I is equal to 5, you substitute and to find Y, where clearance 25% clearance, where A equals to 25 by 1000 into Y. Y you have to substitute this one, where 25 divided by 100 into 123.85. A equals to 30.96 millimeter. We get A. To substitute in this equation, L naught is equal to I plus N into H plus Y plus A. Substitute all those Y and A values, we get L naught. Next, pitch P, where P equals to L naught minus 2 into H divided by I. In circular cross section, L naught minus 2 into D by I. This is the rectangular cross section H. Okay, where substitute all the values we have to substitute and we get P. Next we find out required rate of spring, where F naught equals to F by Y. This is the equation number 20.30. This is also 20.30. Okay, substitute F value and Y value. Y value is whatever he given in the problem, 100, where F naught equals to 300 Newton per millimeter, and actual rate of spring, where F naught equals to this is also same in 20.30 F by Y. Y is we given, we find out Y values in this. Okay, this value you have to put it, and 123.85 we get 241.23 Newton per millimeter. So this is a complete design of rectangular cross section helical spring. You like this video, do comment and do subscribe, like, share, comment on this video. Thank you.